Yosemite Lakes Resort. And we're going through the winding road. Beb, slow down please for the next 8 miles. Just slow down. Take your time. Here we are. It's a very windy road, like they said. It's gonna go on for 8 miles. At least the road is pretty new. Beautiful scenery here though. Slow, 25 miles per hour only. Oh, so the road basically goes all the way and then you'll see end up going down there. So that's the winding road. Scary. This is Lake Tulok. And it's beautiful. There's a lot of people that live here. This one's called the Lakes. It's beautiful. We just kind of passed it, but there were a lot of beautiful mansion-looking homes in that area. It's crazy. We're following 2 trailers, trucks. Trailers, so that's good. This is too homely. Beautiful that is. I already see some RVs over here. Parked. This might be the place. Let's see. Haven't seen a sign yet that says Yosemite Lakes RV Resort. I think it's because we're coming from a different side. And here's the little cabins that you can also reserve if you don't want to, you didn't bring your RV or you're not going to tent camp. Lots of kids out here. But I think this is it. Volleyball net and a basketball little court. It is. I see the Thousand Trails sign. So yeah, we can do that later. Yes. We're gonna check in first and then see where we're supposed to park. We have a laundromat here.
Where's the check-in style right there?
Yes, it looks like it. Yeah, I think that's the where we're supposed to come from. Yosemite Lakes Road.
Okay.
Yeah, just park for it. We made it here at Yosemite Lakes RV Resort. I'm going to check in. And here is the check-in center. And we're currently just parked over there for now until I check in. So we're here and we were able to choose our campsite, number 156. This side, it says that this side is closed. So it looks like we have extra room to play. And then Christian and Kat are here with us. They're gonna be tent camping over here. It's getting a little chilly here. It's beautiful. It's close to the little kids park over there. It looks like it's a full RV park here. It's a very popular place. I'm gonna head to the park. That's a good site actually that we chose because the kids really wanted to go to the park right away. So it's really close by. Everybody's just chilling, enjoying their Friday night. It's nice. Lots of kids over here. Hey Isaac! Isaac and Isla and Lara are having fun at the park they have. Lara! Woo! Woo! May sounds talaga. I'm glad we made it here before it got dark, so. Back to our site. So pretty here though. No, we're sleeping in our RV. Ate Kat and Kuya Christian and Lara will. Because we brought the RV. Okay, so it's about 7:45 and we're getting ready to have our dinner. We got some banchan, but we're heating up the chicken. Make sure it's crunchy. And then I think the rice and the japchae are still pretty good. Kids are over here. And Kat and Christian and Lara are gonna be tent camping back here. It's gonna be so fun. Guys, so we're here at Yosemite Lakes RV Resort. And here's our crew. Smile. Isaac, turn around. I can't see Isla. Oh, Isaiah, I mean. Turn. And we're having dinner. where Isaiah is going to be sleeping. So we'll see how much he likes it. We did try it. I did already inflate this last night and left it in the front seat overnight. with its own electric air pump, and we did charge this last night as well. It's pretty loud, but I feel like it's in the right position. So make sure that that's perfect. And then we're gonna get the actual top mattress. Just like this. Smile, mama. And then of course this part always faces you because that's where you're going to be inflating. And then you just want to set this on top. Just close this up. We want it too firm, right? Do you want it firm or? No. Oh, that's good. Of course, fix it around. It falls on the right crevices, and so. Make Isaiah try it out. Isaiah. Okay. Okay, so Isaiah, and this is where he's gonna be sleeping tonight instead of the galley. Ooh, Isaiah, that looks perfect. What do you think? How does it feel? Okay, and then we're gonna put cover on it, of course. And so that's that. So we took the chance and bought 2 of the Luno front cab air mattress, and the first one is there, and then the second one is actually perfect. It fits perfectly, so now we have 2 extra beds for the kids and or Roderick. So here's the kiddos trying out the mattress, the Luno mattress. What do you guys think?
Good.
Yeah? Okay, yeah, we're gonna put a sleeping bag on top of it and then a pillow. Okay, cool. It's a beautiful and sunny morning here. Go ahead! Isaac and Isla wanted to go to the park. There's nobody there yet, so it's close by and I can see them while I cook near the RV. Isaac, Isla, don't cross the road, okay? I'll come back for you. And always look at me over there, okay? So good morning. We are setting up our breakfast. I'm cooking rice. I'm air frying some spam, and I made me my coffee already. And it's still pretty quiet here. It's beautiful. The sun's out already. Oh, here's all our junk stuff that I had to bring from the RV out. It's a beautiful day here. Good morning. Enjoying my coffee. I'm about to get a second one. Last night was pretty cold actually. It was the first time where I was like, I need to cover up. It was super cold. But we made it through. Isaiah and Roderick slept really good on their Duno beds. Roderick slept on the front part, and then Isaiah slept in the middle. And they were sleeping really good. So we slept good because it was just the three of us at the back, and we had a lot of room. But when we woke up this morning, we were all bundled together because it was cold. Beautiful day here. Our plan is to go Yosemite and do some hiking today. It's the first time I'm air frying spam. Next time I'm gonna bring our griddle, because I actually prefer cooking outside than inside because the smell will stay in if I cook inside. So I think I'm gonna bring the griddle next time. Making me another cup of coffee. We're cooking salmon for our lunch to bring to Yosemite. There's our food. There's everybody. Hi, Bub. Okay, we're heading out. We did one night here. I think we have almost there. Not really. But here's the beautiful signs for Yosemite National Park. So we're here. Stuck in traffic. Say hi, everybody. Isaac Pagoda. Isaiah. Here's Ida talking to Ati Kat. Say hi. It's okay. We're stuck in traffic. It's all good.
Mama, Ati Kat is stuck.
We're about to reach the entrance, at least. So we have another 24 miles to get to the valley. Ooh, it's beautiful. Look, I see the falls over there. Falls Half Dome coming up front.
Parking is full. They use left.
Parking is full that way, so you either want to turn right or left.
Oh, so turn left.
Look how beautiful that Half Dome is, though. So that one that's the perfect slice one I was talking about, but that's not it. Lots of cars here. We still can't find parking. It's taking forever, but they have some really beautiful views everywhere, so it's okay, I guess. Look, Ayla, there's a falls here to the right. Look too. Look outside. There's a little peak. Beautiful. That's stunning though. Look at that. Finally found a place to park, and we're here at the El Capitan, what is this? Picnic area. And look how beautiful that is. We're having our lunch. We're waiting for Pat and Christian. Hopefully they can come through because we had the hardest time finding parking. It's crazy. But RV's parked over there on the side. So we're having our lunch. We're here at El Capitan picnic area. Hi kids, say hi. How's your lunch? Good, keep eating so we can walk around. We're hiking, kind of. Can you not block Ayla?
Wow.
Look, people are rock climbing. Cool. You can try. The Yosemite Lodge. This is the restaurant area. We're heading to the falls. We have so much fun walking. Okay. Alright. This is the Lower Yosemite Falls. Okay.
You're supposed to be like, professional. Oh wow, okay. See, professional video. Okay.
Hey, we're hiking up to the lower falls. I think this leads us to the bridge. I think there's a bug on my head. You can hear it. It's getting louder. I know, and you can start feeling the mist. It's getting colder too, and louder. Yes. Come on, Isla. It's kind of going upwards, uphill walk. Go, Isla. I think we're almost there. Yes, we're there, Isla. Go, go, go. You're gonna look to your left. The lower falls. It's beautiful. It's literally prettier in person. Yeah, here. You might fall, huh? Oh yeah, you don't have to walk on the edge. You guys run to the rock. Isaac, run to the rock area. Looks like the kids found a fun area for them. This big rock. Stay up. Guys, wait, Isaac, Isla, look. Isla's tired of walking, hiking. Isaac said he's tired too. Our parking was super far. Merced River. We've been following this river since we came out of Yosemite. So relaxing and powerful. We're gonna stop.